So just checking. Oh my god, this is... Wow. There is too much water here, and that has stopped. My goodness. Now, both the bikes and the scooty have stopped. This is not working. Aha. Will I be able to make it? I sincerely doubt it. But any which ways, let's try this. Yeah, that had to happen. So the bike is stuck now. That was bound to happen. So this is the depth, as you can see. No waterproofing comes in handy at this point. This is it. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, I was trying to come from behind that truck and got stuck. Anyways, running out of breath. Always carry this bag and some tools in it. Even though I've lost my toolkit. But anyways, shoes, as you can see, waterproof, but not so much. Once they get submerged in water, this is not nice. But what can we say? So yeah, just trying to get some water out of the socks. Jeans is almost drenched. So I was submerged almost till here. Now you can see. It was a stupid move. Yeah. You can say that. Now the question is, considering that the bike has stopped now, I'm not going to start it because obviously there is some water in the air filter. That where it reads Himalayan. Best practice is to just let it dry, then open it up, and then take it out. Yeah. So for that, we'll be opening these, as you know, removing these and taking the air filter out. I don't know whether you can capture this or not, but yeah, in the bag I always keep this kit. Yeah, this kit. This is a cycling toolkit. But anyways, I think this is the bit that will open up the air filter. Yeah, right. Now this is the thing that you do if your bike gets submerged. There is absolutely no point irrelevantly just trying to push the ignition because there is already water in the in the airbox, which is gonna go in the fuel injector if you try to start it like this. But first thing is to just remove So open this one is dummy. Yeah, so this is out. Now again on the toolkit, on this one. I'm not going to take the camera off, but I hope you can see. Yeah, there is this screwdriver as well. So it has pretty useful tools, but anyways, yeah. So just let's open the... No, I seriously hope the angle is right and you see the water is dripping from here, right? Can you see that? Now that is the air box. So I've just loosened some screws with the help of this. And for the time being, this one is gonna be a bit tricky one because of the angle and all, but yeah, these should be easy. So let's just open them up. So I still hope you can see that this is the air filter, completely wet, and as you can see there is some water inside there as well. So yeah, that is the problem. And yeah, still water dripping from the air filter. It does get submerged. Now for the time being, first of all, I'll be just taking the water out. So that is the idea. If the bike gets submerged, just please don't keep on giving ignition, because that is gonna pull the water in from the airbox into the injection and into the cylinder. So yeah, let's hope for the best and let's see if we have current. Yeah, we do. That's a good sign. Okay, we are in gear. Let's do this. Now, so yeah, this is the spark plug. I hope you can see that. I've just opened it with a nose plier. Can you believe that? Yeah. So never tighten them too much. And now I am putting it back after giving a few ignitions. And there was some water in it. I'm not sure what is the condition of the, what do you call it? The fuel injector. But I have given a good few ignitions. I am hoping that the water is out, and this might be able to push it. Yeah, but I opened it with this. So never tighten them too much if you are a DIY kind of a guy. Anyways, let me save the battery and I'll catch up. So as you can see, I have put the spark plug back in with just the plier. Did not record it. Some water is coming out, but this will go out. Engine oil would have to be changed. Now air filter has to be put back in. Lot of water is coming out, man. This is gonna take some time to dry. Now this is the other way to dry the air filter. Okay, so this is okay. So the exhaust at least is not emitting any moisture. That means the internal system is completely good. And I've been trying to dry this, hooking it up like this, and I don't see any bubbles coming out. So that is a a sign that this is also kind of drying. And yeah, this has started to feel a lot hotter. Yeah, a lot. Let me wait for some time more. So now you can see when I put this air filter back here and give some raise, the moisture is not gonna be that much. So that means it is drying up. And yeah, of course, do keep rotating it. So yeah, that is good enough. And that is hot. I'll be putting this back in now. And the bike should be good to rock. My God, this was quite an episode, wasn't it? A lot of vehicles are still getting stuck. You can still see some bikes there. This bus is also now here. I mean, oh my God, this. Okay, so yeah, all the things that I did, they have worked, and well, I have done them in the past as well. So that is all that you need. If I have to narrate the process step by step, well, first of all, if you get stuck in the water, don't try to ignition it out. Just don't do that. Second thing, drag it out of the water. Third, once you're out of the water, first thing you have to do is just open up the air filter. And there is going to be some water in the air filter, trust me. Drain that out. But in the meantime, the water that has entered the exhaust, that will be dripping out, so you don't have to worry about that. And the final thing is, some water would have entered the combustion chamber as well. As was in my case, I could not, I mean, I was not carrying the camera and all. I just had a mobile and my helmet mounted camera. So yeah, there was some water in the spark plug, and that was a clear indication that yes, some water was in the combustion chamber as well. So you open up the spark plug, there's the final step. You give some ignitions, put the thumb on the spark plug hole, the water comes out. You just dry the spark plug, just well, blow some air into it any which ways. And then once all is done, don't put the spark plug don't put the air filter back in. Just put the spark plug back in and the bike would start. It does. Trust me, it does. So nothing to worry. Yeah, so that is why I don't worry about entering into those kind of, shoes are going to be wet. But anyways, so yeah, that is how it works. And once you give the ignition, the bike will start. And then, as I was showing earlier, you can use your exhaust to dry up the air filter. Once the air filter is dry enough, you can put the air filter back in and just continue riding like I'm doing. I don't even know what time it is. I think it must be somewhere around, well, I have to go right from here. So yeah, so I'm guessing it will be somewhere around 1 in the night. 1 or 2, I don't know. I mean, I'm just not sure. But you get the idea, right? So yeah, that is how these kind of things work. Nothing to worry about. Just keep your calm. And these are the simple steps. I'll try and post a descriptive text on this as well in the middle of whatever I'm doing. But yeah, thanks for watching and enjoy riding. Cheers. Bye. Well, people are always impatient. Anyways, this is a nice sight. Nonetheless, full moon, river on the side. Well, that's my commute to home these days. And rain has done much damage. This can be a problem again. Shit. Well, oh, okay. Not that bad. Yeah. Okay, thankfully, not that bad. Yeah, that is what Himalayan is made for, right? Yeah, anyways, yeah, that was nice. Okay, low beam. I have water in my shoes, man. That, well, anyways, Gore-Tex or no, it does not matter. Once you put your foot down, the water is gonna come pouring in. Oh my god, a lot of damage. Yeah, it has been raining pretty heavily. I mean, pouring pretty heavily from the past. Whoa, 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 whoa. Impatience again. Too much of impatience. I'm on my side. Now that guy is, well, you understand. Anyways, yeah. Well, look at that. That does look beautiful, doesn't it? Yeah, that's kind of nice.